Tell you what, my hands are gonna freeze to bloody death. 2nd of June, more like 2nd of bloody December. Why, hello everybody. Trust you're all well. Good. Oh, look at this grey, gormless sky. And here I am riding into work. However, it's supposed to be bright and sunny this afternoon. I'll tell you what, farm equipment's like women's clothes. At any one time there must be 3 or 4 times as many farm vehicles on the road as there are in bloody fields working. And with women's clothes there must be 3 or 4 times as many in the postal system than there is in the warehouse, because they always order 4 or 5 and send 4 back. Stick the old Vespa in sport just in case. Fucking hell's bells, look at it, come on. How are you going? Because I'm going. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't know what that was all about. Whoa, 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 whoa. We don't want airtime or wheelies up through here, do we? I don't think I've ever said this before, but thank God for heated grips. It's Friday. Hope you've all had a fantastic week. Hope you've all got plans for the weekend. Now, talking of plans for the weekend, I'm going for a test ride tomorrow. Yeah. Well, that's the plan anyway. If all comes to fruition, I shall mention no names. Now, to all the fab channels that I watch, all the fab vlogs, motorcycle vlogs, I'm doing my best to keep up. Obviously the sun's out, and so naturally everybody's keen to get out and about and get their videos up. and there just isn't enough hours in the week between working full-time and doing all the other bits and bobs that, you know, we all have to do in between. It just, as I say, it just isn't enough time to watch everything as soon as it comes out. I mean, I like to watch as many as I can, and I like to try and support as many people as I can. You know, I think what I'm going to have to start doing is, even if I don't get to watch, you know, a full 30-minute video from somebody, I at least get a like and a comment down and help their algorithm. So please don't think that if, you know, you haven't seen me comment, it's because I'm not interested. Not that you'd notice anyway, but that's not the point, is it? I mean, if you've got 500,000 subscribers, it don't fucking matter, does it? But as smaller channels, it's nice. It's a nice little community with a lot of reciprocal viewing and referencing each other in channels. And I want to support as many people as possible. Oh joy. Now I have got arriving soon some replacement brake and clutch levers, and I'll tell you for why. Because the brake lever is adjustable, only the clutch lever isn't, which isn't a, you know, a huge problem, I suppose, in and of itself. But I noticed through the power of technology and 360 cameras that I have a habit of hovering on the clutch, anticipating a gear change, but I tend to take up the slack in the hand, in the lever. I mean, I suppose it's not really a problem, but it's akin to resting your foot on the clutch pedal. I suppose it's just not the done thing. I'm sure the clutch springs aren't that light, but I'm conscious of it. So I had a look round and I found some what looked nice in the pictures, but we'll have to wait and see. Red anodized ones with black bits on, which should go reasonably well, I think, with the bike. So they should be here next week sometime. Look, I want to get on with this, come on. So yeah, I'll show you those when they arrive. Hopefully it's a straightforward fit. They say it's a straightforward fit, but you know what lying bastards they are. Ah, oh, come off it. A motorbike and I'm stuck behind a tractor doing 30 pissing miles an hour. F***ing odds that. I was stuck behind him coming in this morning, and there he goes. Anyway, as I was saying earlier, test ride tomorrow. Don't think for a minute that I'm not fantastically happy with the Hornet. It's absolutely phenomenal. I'm hoping to be able to bring you the test ride. I'm hoping to be able to bring me the test ride. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm going in front of you. Do you know, I once heard a man say, I will die at a set of traffic lights. Who was that? Oh yeah, it was me. Okay, and we're waiting on what? Pretty sure I saw him this morning. Ooh, 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 ooh. See, there I am again, look. Taking the slack on the clutch lever. Go on, give it your best. Right, let's see what the traffic's like down here, because every day this week it's been queued all the way up the bloody hill. Tuesday I had to come home, get the dog, or pick the dog up from the missus' house, drive home, and then turn around and come back into Sherborne, and the traffic was appalling and my stress levels were very high. Oh look, I'm on my motorbike today, not a dicky bird. You bastards. I'll tell you what, they're right when they say that Thursday is the new Friday with all these wankers working from home. Sorry if you work from home, but work should be done in the workplace, not sat in your pyjamas watching loose women eating cereal from the box. It's not good for you. Yeah, there's room for a littling. Well, I shall pick my way through the traffic and say tatty bye. TTFN. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Ciao. I've run out of languages now. Cheerio. I'm going right out the middle over this shoe. Bloody shoe in the middle of the road.